What's up, everybody? It is Miss Learn and Earn here, and I just wanted to come in here to shed some light on something that I found. I'm not seeing a lot of people talk about this, but I'm really impressed with this new software that I found. It's called Syllabi.io, and you literally it makes like the most amazing faceless content that you can use for your everyday pleasure. What's cool about it is you can choose the type of video you want to do. It can either make your script or you can bring the script with you. Or even today, like today, we are just going to and bring in a link from an article that I found, and you guys are going to see just how awesome and fast this software is. I'm completely blown away. Yeah, it's let's just jump into this. So quickly, let's go and find where am I at? Hold on. So let's go to the app here. Logged in. This is what it looks like on the inside. You see I have some points up there. So basically, let's just click this blue button, and we're going to create, they have avatar videos. They have that if you want to do that, like imagine do an avatar talking and you could put like a green screen in the back. Like it's so many things you could do with this. But today we're going to do a faceless video, right? There's different settings. My favorite, what am I doing? Okay, I'm doing, my favorite one, like this black and white. Look at this old camera. This ancient fairy tale is pretty cool. Action movie, cartoon. Look at all these, the cinematic realism I've used. Look at all these different things that you can choose. Anyway, today I'm going to use, this is my favorite, hyper realism. We're going to be English. I'm going to pick my subtitles. This is so, guys, this is so cool, so fast. So I'm going to pick this subtitle here. You could pick the voice. There's plenty of voices. I almost don't even need 11 Labs anymore. Like this thing is taking so many, it's taking up the place of so many softwares that I use. But let me see who I usually like. These are basically sounds a lot like I said, the voices in 11 Labs. I like Matilda, I think. Yeah, I like her. So we're going to Matilda. This video is going to be less than a minute. And go to the advanced options. You could position your subtitles. I like to have them in the middle. For this one, I'm going to have it in the middle. And you can pick your color. Oh my gosh, this is just so amazing. Your background music, I don't want any because I like to, and it's a tip, whatever platform you're using, I like to use the native music from the platform because it just works out. So if I'm going to put this on YouTube, this video, then I'll wait to upload it and I'll find a YouTube video of YouTube sound. TikTok, same thing, turning sound in TikTok, and just all of that just makes it, I think it makes it reach better. So the sound effects are enabled. I don't really play with them that much. You know, it's very creative. You'll see. So, I already selected, what's this animation? I don't want any, oh, I could put dust. You know how like dust is so popular, the sparkling gold, but I'm not doing any of that right here. I have other videos that I've done it on. Let me see. So, folder, no, I'm not gonna put in the folder, but yeah, that's it. So then you come down here and I'm going to do URL to video. So I'm going to put the URL in here. Okay. And then we're going to generate the script. So it's analyzing the article that I found. All right, it's analyzed this, it made the script. You see this article, this video is going to be about 52 seconds, which is great for a short. You also can, I've made longer scripts for 3 minutes. So whatever you need, you even can do the the long form video, you know, the long one with the other, what is it? Not, what do you know, the one that goes the long way. Yeah, the one that goes on YouTube. Yeah, you can even make those. So now I'm gonna click the generate video button. It's exciting. So look, this is this is dope. Wait till you see this. This bad boy gives you new topics. Okay, like all you need to do is click. If I click one of these right now, it'll instantly generate me a new video. Like, tell me, God, oh my goodness, this thing is dope. So I'm not going to do that right now. So anyway, oops. While it's generating, I think I did it. I hope I did it. So while generating, let's go to where it says my videos down here and make sure it's generating. That's my videos. All right, so this one is rendering. So look at this last one that I did. I'm gonna show you this video here. This is a last one that I did. Like this one, I let the app. Wait, did I? Yeah, I think I allowed the software to generate the script. A couple more, some of these back, like these. Also, I let it generate the script. I think this one right here, C is a long form one. This one I brought the script with me. So here, check this last video out I made. See how dope it is? Look at that. Anyway, so, okay. So now, so the next part would be, well, let's just go and see if it's ready yet. It doesn't take that long. Let's go back. Not quite done. But see, the next thing is you're going to wait for it to get done, and then like literally that's it. But you can actually go to the video. You can go to the video, and then you can go down here where it says view details, right? So you copy the script. Use the button and everything. You copy this script. Take this script to ChatGPT. Put in you know, a prompt saying, please generate me a SEO friendly or a highly searched keyword title, description, and keywords or hashtags for a YouTube video or whatever platform that you're putting on. And that is it. Like, it'll generate you, as you know, Chat GPT will generate you you know, anything you want. So this is a script. You take the script back and you put that prompt in, and then you put the script in and say, do all that for this script, the following script, and it will give you everything you need. Your title, everything is done. This thing will have you up and running in minutes. Okay. So look, my video is done. It is done. Crazy, right? Guys, come on. Come on. You didn't have to find you didn't have to find the script. I literally put a link to an article in this thing, and it made me a video. How I'm I'm sorry, y'all. I'm blown away. Now I know that there's other like there's Invideo. Like, the price point to this is so much cheaper than Invideo. Invideo's oops, let me go back. Invideo as you know, is a great platform as well. And it might do it might do more, but this Sylvie also has stock photos as well. You don't have to use those AI generated photos. It also has stock videos as well. So that Invideo has stock photos, which is cool for different type of video. But they have their AI generated video pricing is way different. For all of that, everything involved there, I got the lowest plan because I just wanted to try it out. So I got the lowest plan, and right now Syllabi is having 25% off. So their lowest plan is $25. You get a certain amount of points. Now I think it makes about 50 or less, so maybe like, so I'm at 30, so maybe 50 videos. I really can't say how much. You have to look at it, but it's a good amount. Like you saw all the videos I made. Like I made all those videos and I still have like 30 points, credits left. So I think each generated script is like a point, or whatever. And then it even has where you can go in and buy points a la carte. Say you want to make another video. You say you use your points up and it's almost the end of the month. You can go and buy points a la carte over there at Syllabi. So if you look here, just for the lowest plan is this $30. And then wait, this is the wrong one. Hold on, this is the other one. How to switch me to this one? Invideo has different ones, right? They have 2 different websites, but this is not the website I was looking at before. The other website is like, it goes up to like 50, it's like $100 and some for AI generated videos. So anyway, I can't really find it, but yeah, the Invideo is comparable to Invideo. That's what I'm saying. Like price point, I believe it's cheaper. If you go look it up yourself, it's definitely a better buy. It seems cheaper to me. I may be wrong, but at any rate, it is a great product. It is a great software, and I'm like totally, as you can see, I'm totally blown away. I'm totally blown away. So guys, like I said, this was Syllabi. You saw it in action. You saw how great the videos turned out. You saw how easy and fast. Like, did that take me 5 minutes to do? I don't think it took me 5 minutes to do. And listen. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to share this awesome software. And the people over there at Syllabi, keep doing your thing. I love the product so far, and I'm going to continue to use it for my Faceless content. Yeah. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, you can use my link. It'll be in the description, of course, and I will get a little kickback with no extra cost to you. Also, they have a 3-day trial or a 7-day trial. I think it's a 7-day trial. You get like you get to make 3 or 4 videos for free or something like that. It might be 3 or 7. Don't get me lying, but they do have a trial. And like I said, right now they're running a 25% off deal. So, yep, I'm excited. Guys, thanks for watching my blubber gibberish. And, have a good rest of your day.